Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to assume and see a scenario that what if VRA pulls a theta. So guys, before we begin this video, I hope you have read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever I am sharing are just my views. So please do not take any of your investment decisions on what I share. So our today's topic is one assumption, a scenario. It is not something that I am saying that it will happen. We are just going to assume that what if it happens? What if VRA pulls a similar price action as Theta did since last 1 or 2 years? So first, let us check the Theta market cap. And if we look at the Theta market cap, currently we are on CoinGecko right now. It's at around 10 billion to 49 million. So around $10.25 billion market cap Theta is having currently, ranked at 20th, and its current price is around $10.33. So if we look at the Theta top, it was at around 17th April and at $14 billion. So Theta went on to create an amazing history by entering into top 10. And in fact, at one point, I remember it had overcome Chainlink also. And it was on 9th or 10th in the ranking of overall cryptos at 14 billion MCAP. So Theta had an amazing run since last 1 year, especially. And we look at Veracity's market cap, then Veracity's current market cap is around 208 million and it's ranked at 287. So now we'll go and check the Theta price action. And if we look at Theta, let me just open Theta USDT. So we have a Theta USDT Binance chart in front of us. And if we look from the beginning of the chart, it's from around 11th April 2019. So let us look at this price action, which currently looks like very small dots. So if we look at this entire price action, then as we can see, this is an entire consolidation phase. It was basically ranging in this price. This was back in 2019. So from 11th April 2019 till 11th May 2020, so almost 13 months, Theta was ranging in this one price. And this was the COVID crash of 2020, from where it went from 13 cents to almost 0.03. So where VRA is currently, the same price. Of course, it won't be the same market cap. And then it started this upside run from the bottom of March 2020. So from 3 cents, it went all the way to its peak at, let's see, what was the top? So from 3 cents, it went to 15.88. So almost $16. From 3 cents to $16 in almost 1 year. This was a crazy pump. And if we just look at the growth, let's go on to weekly and just look at this entire pump. This is crazy. Wow, we can't even see the bottom anymore. So let's look at the entire growth of theta in 1 year. So let me take this. Just I can't even properly see this bottom. Let me again take this. Okay. So you can see it did 43,000% growth in just 1 year, from March 2020 till April 2021. So this was an amazing pump, insane pump. And if we look at the market cap, let's look at the market cap of what it was on March 2020. So if we look at the market cap on at around, so the bottom was at $54 million market cap. So from $54 million market cap in on let me just this one more time. 17th March was $57 million market cap. It went to $14 billion in 1 year. And if we look at the Veracity market cap currently, and let us assume that it also does the same insane pump in 1 year, then the current Veracity market cap is 208 million. So it is in fact at least 4 times higher than what Theta was at its bottom. So from that, it pulled a amazing, what was the growth? 40,000? I forgot, 40,000% somewhat. Let's, I guess it was 40,000. Since it's too tiny, you can't in fact 60,000. I'm extremely sorry, my mistake. It was around 60,000% growth. And let's say that VRA does the same growth in coming 1 year. Let's assume that in fact VRA is already currently ahead of Theta in terms of market cap. It's currently at 208 million, and Theta was at somewhere around 54, 55 million. So if we consider that VRA also does a similar growth, let's not consider 60,000%, but let's consider 40,000% from its current price over here. And if we consider 40,000% growth from its current price, then we can see a $12 VRA. This is a $12 VRA if it does 40,000% from its current price. Of course, this is just an assumption, and this is out of, it's not even moon. We are on some entire another galaxy, I guess. But we are just assuming. And even if it does in fact 40,000% pump like this, anything can happen in crypto. But let's assume that if at all it does, you can see that we can't even see the current price action. This entire chart will not even look like a dot. But let's take 40,000% growth from market cap when Theta was VRA was also at 54 million market cap. So let's take that. Let's take 54 million market cap. Let's see, when was it at 54 million market cap? Yeah, so around 47 mil, 256, 170. It's not updated on CoinGecko. So on CoinGecko, what we can see is 170 million market cap. If we want to look at 54 million, so that is, it's currently at 208 million market cap. So 1/4 of this. So let's consider a 75% drop. Okay. So 0.008. So this is somewhere, we are just taking an approximate figure, that this is somewhere where Veracity would be at 54 million MCAP. Okay. And from here, let's consider that it does a 40,000% growth. And if it does a 40,000% growth from here, then let's see what price it can reach when it pumps 40,000% from 54 million MCAP. So at it goes at around 4.4. 40,000% is around 4.4. So let's consider $4. Yeah. 4.3. So if at all Veracity does a theta and it goes on to make another 40,000% pump from 0.008 VRA price. So it goes on to $4. In fact, we can also directly see that Veracity's circulating supply currently is 6.6 billion, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's 6.5 billion. It's circulating supply. And let's assume that it peaks at 14 billion MCAP. So that also gives, with this current supply at around price of $2.5. So a $2.5 Veracity is possible if Veracity does similar thing as theta. And if we see this, then this entire, let us observe the theta price action from the COVID dump. If you can see, then this pump was a result of this 1 year consolidation, and Veracity has also done similar consolidation, and then this has been insane pump. Just look at this. This has been insane pump, especially from 2021, from December 20. So this, most of this where theta pump is result of last 5 months, 5 to 6 months. So this insane pump, parabolic pump, can happen for Veracity. Of course, it needs to have more exchanges like Binance, UB, and all the big exchanges, tier 1 exchanges, for this kind of crazy volume and crazy money to come in Veracity. But it has got all the potential, there is no doubt about it. And that's why we are today doing this assumption. So guys, I hope you like this video. This was just an assumption. It's not a certainty. And we just hope that all the VRA holders also experience this pump the way Theta holders did. And let's hope for the best. But this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research. It cannot pump and it can do something else entirely. Everything is possible in crypto. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please come back for a new video and do comment how did you like this video. Take care. Bye bye.